I figured you might want to see another reed getting tuned. Why not? We're here. The gear's here. Okay, so now we're going to go for the next one. Let's do a test. Down 2. I'm going to mark this other one as done. You know, that's important. And this one is only down. I originally said down 5, but it's not. It's always worth it to check these again. It's down 3, not 5. It's down 3. It's down 3. Okay. So we put the thing under here like this. So I put, you might be wondering, what are you doing? I'm putting the industrial razor blade under there so the reed has something for me to work against, you know? Now I'm going to guess 2 taps will do the job on this one, but I could be wrong. Those were 2 solid taps, pretty hard ones. I'll go a little more. I'm amazed at how much I have to hit these reeds to change their pitch. It's a lot. I'll take it up one more. By the way, you take off material from the tip of the reed to raise its pitch and from the center of the reed lengthwise to lower the pitch. And still go higher. I'm shy on the machine, aren't I? I am, because you know, I don't want to overdo. Whoop, cut twice. And still hit it again. I'm surprised at how much bonk I got to give these reeds to change their pitch. These are a different brass than modern brass. I'm still down 1. How about that? These are not the same brass as is currently used. It's harder. Or it's aged. I don't know. All I know is it's taken a lot. Perfect. Okay. So what I'm learning is that this brass almost has the consistency of phosphor bronze, more than it has brass, compared to modern brass, which would be softer. Has a different tone too. I think it's a different metallurgy, different metal mix.